from far away, it's probably going to do. So, all of them, Control D, G, sense pivot point. Let's have it in the middle-ish. Something like that. Bring back this. Control G, Control, pivot point, rotate, not too much. Move it across, lift it up. Control G. Move it back, downwards, just so it covers it up like that. Control D, I mean. Like that. So now you're getting a good build up on camera. And then could even do that. Another good thing to remember is to bookmark view, bookmarks, edit bookmarks, new one, main view, add to shelf. So now we can move away, view, bookmarks, take us back to there. So now we're starting. Now we've got the basis of things. We're just starting to create something. This view I like even more, so that'll do. And then I won't be colouring any of this, but I could do that in another tutorial, since it's going to take just as long to UV it and then just as long to texture it. I could add RGB colours though, which I'm thinking I may do, just to show an example. But we won't be seeing stuff like this, it's going to be zoomed in, so you don't need to be worried about anything like that. And the last thing, Control Save, is to create the stem. I'm going to do this by going into another view, which is this view, I think. No, this will do, I think. And we're going to now create the stem. And we're going to do this by going to, I think it's CV curve or EP, don't really mind. Click where you want it to start. Enter Ctrl hide them. Just selected points, and then start to move it to get the feel of it what you want. Something like that. Make sure it's in the middle like that. And you can see that's pretty nice. I've just hidden the leaves there, so and that's under display, I think. Display, yeah. Hide, show and hide. There you go. This could be done a bit better, so something like that. Then I'm going to hide all these. We're going to then go to create, save, and we're going to go to create polygons, polygon. Where in the world is it? Okay, NURBS. Circle. And we're going to extrude the circle along the path of the of the curve. And we're going to make sure it's within the right area as well. So press spacebar, go into views like this just to make sure we want it just like that. And then rotate it so it's aimed the same path like that. That's perfect. Then we need to do it in this view as well, which is this view, I think. Yeah. And across. Save. Okay. So we shift select both. I think it's then polygons. No, it's surfaces. This is an important thing to remember. Surfaces, extrude, edit box. And then it's at path, component, tube, path direction, NURBS, apply, there we go, close, zoom in, select the circle, scale the circle to change that, select the NURB tube, and we want to turn it to polygons, so we select modify, I think it's modify, convert NURBS to polygons, there we go, delete the other one, delete the curve, even delete the circle. I doubt the circle still works. Nope, delete it. In polygon form, smooth it, there we go. Zoom in, just extrude these. Whoa. This is where I need to zoom in. God knows why that box is so hard to get hold of. How do we do this? How did we do this? Something like that. I actually can't remember. That should do. Okay, let's carry on now that noise is finished. Something like that. Which looks alright. Display, show. Okay, back to show all. They're just a bit too big, those leaves are. It's about right. This flower is at the moment. If anything, it just needs to be maybe rotated a bit more. But not much needs to be done with it. Citrus save. We may want to just do something with these. So these appear thinner. I'm not too sure. But then again, we won't really be seeing them, will we?